Today we're going to walk you through the modern Mediterranean. We're looking at the foyer, the living room, and the dining room. The modern Mediterranean is a 9,000 square foot renovation that we did that took almost a year. Walking into the foyer, it's a grand entrance. It's 2 stories and wow, the clouds. So we decided to do something a little better. We designed custom trim treatment to go around the barrel vaulted ceiling in the foyer. We enhanced the beautiful barrel vaulted ceiling with this gorgeous 2-tiered metal light fixture. And then we designed gorgeous custom railings to go across the 2nd floor. On the light fixture, we chose one that had mixed metals to go with all the finishes that we've incorporated throughout the home. In the entry, we have a grand 12-foot front door, which is very dramatic. Walking into that space, we've created a little niche here, which we did an applied antique mirror and a custom piece of furniture. And now we're gonna dive into the transformation of the living room. In designing the living room space, we had to keep in mind the dramatic ceiling height. On one side of the room, we did applied molding. On the ceiling, we beefed up the ceiling treatment to make that more dramatic. We also added a large-scale light fixture to ground the space. Coming down into the living room, we did decide to keep the original fireplace. The color was perfect and it was in great working order. The design of the furnishings in this room are all very soothing neutrals, but very luxurious. The large, overscaled cocktail table has specialty metal detailing. The living room and dining room are actually right next to each other. The dining room in the modern Mediterranean is one of my all-time favorite rooms. It's very luxurious, very soothing, and very elegant. The crystal beaded chandeliers, we did 2 of them with the oversized table. We added textured wallpaper to the niche. We added wallpaper to the ceiling. Gorgeous drapery and woven wood blinds really make this an elevated dining space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and drop a comment below.